happened?
A little bit frustrated because I couldn't find my keys.
And how long were we looking for them?
20 minutes.
And where'd you find them?
In the 10th gen.
So what did we learn?
To not lose our keys. To check better spots before checking the trash. Today's video is gonna be a little gross, but necessary. We're gonna clean out the 9th gen with chemicals, hydrogen peroxide, simple green, and also a carpet cleaner, especially for like made for cars. So, long time overdue. So, as you guys know from the video where I tore apart this car, that is dried blood, or we're like 99.9% sure. Anyway, we are going to clean all that up, and I am also going to spray hydrogen peroxide on every single hard surface inside the car to kill all the bacteria we can. Steering wheel, the glass, everything is gonna get sprayed down, wiped down, and obviously all those microfiber towels are gonna be thrown away. And then we're gonna head to the car wash, where we are going to rip them off and use the free vacuums without buying a car wash. And I'm gonna suck out as much of the water as we can. And then we're gonna come back tomorrow after it has like 24 hours to dry. Hopefully that will eliminate the smell. And obviously we need to eliminate the bacteria, so let's get to it. So, all the supplies today, like I said, this is actually just water. Then we have simple green, gloves, face mask, eye protection. This is a 50-50 mix of water and hydrogen peroxide. And this is the upholstery cleaner I was talking about. So first thing I'm gonna do is the back seat, so let's just do it. So I'm gonna spray this everywhere. Get a little coat on the seats, a light coat. That's gonna kill the bacteria. Everything that touches hydrogen peroxide basically is what I'm gonna throw away. So I'm gonna wait to touch the blood for last. I'm gonna save it for last, I should say. Can you smell the peroxide?
Yep.
Okay, I really can't have my mask on. Oh, so I have an idea. Pretty soon, what I would like to do, if you guys don't already know, Vivi and I live in Rockland, California, and it's basically right by Sacramento. So what we'd like to do soon is have a local subscriber meetup and get everyone together, find like an empty parking lot one night for dinner, and I'll order a bunch of pizzas, like a dozen pizzas, and then what we can do is go for a drive, or either go for a drive before or after, I don't know, something like that. But it'd be cool to meet everyone who's in the area. Let me know what you guys think. So with the fabric, you really want to scrub this in. Definitely want to get this. The blood pooled right here and right here. There's still broken glass. Yeah. So I do have to be careful. There's actually a lot of glass, yeah. Here's one thing I'm curious about. When cars get totaled, salvage yards will like part them out and sell seats or steering wheels or engines or whatever. Those people, like, depending on the accident, depending on like a collision, they also could have lost a lot of blood in a car too. You know? This one just happened to 99.9% sure be a shooting. This looks stained. Can you see that?
Yeah, a little bit.
How it still looks stained?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna spray that again and just let it soak. I mean, I should have done a vacuum first so I can get all the loose stuff, but I really didn't think there was this much glass in here. I don't know why. I guess I just didn't notice it. Here's a little piece of evidence. Elementary visitor. It doesn't say what elementary school. Does that look like dry crusted blood to you too? Okay. We are not getting HIV today, baby.
It does look a lot better.
What does that look like right there? Probably, you know what?
Blood, maybe? Dried blood?
I don't know what it is, babe, but it's getting the fuck out of here. I'm telling you, babe, when this car is done, it's gonna be a rocket. Okay, so the good thing now, yes, there's a little bit more glass in there, but the important thing is everything is disinfected. For those who haven't seen it yet, there is a very suspicious looking spot that looks like it has blood on it. It's in a very tricky spot. So the seatbelt lever, or the seat lever that, see that? Yeah, exactly. That was my,
oh my God.
that was my reaction. The other side, it's clean as hell. So someone mentioned that it could be rust. I'm like,
let's look at that again. I don't think that's
yeah, let's
rust.
look at it again.
I do not think that is rust.
Absolutely not.
Let me focus in on it. That's crazy. I can't believe you found blood. It's such a weird spot.
Yeah.
Wait, but if there's blood on that, how do we not know that there's not blood all over the seat? We just can't see it.
How about this? If it still smells after I'm done with it, I'll get it professionally done. If it comes off, it should be blood.
Yep. Exactly what I was gonna say.
It's not really coming off too well.
Well, blood does stain, and it does turn a brown color. We should have brought a magic eraser.
Billy Mays here. Is that Billy Mays?
I don't know.
OxyClean.
Isn't it Mr. Clean that did? I don't know.
Billy Mays says OxyClean. It's coming off. I mean, it's coming off a little bit, so it's definitely not. I mean, I don't think it's rust. That is incredibly suspicious. Probably goes all the way back there.
That's after the first seat?
Center console and everything too. I'm just getting like the surface stuff. These seats are gonna be gone in a couple months anyway. This is just for peace of mind, like in the meantime. Working at the car wash. Whoa, 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 whoa.
That smells so bad.
Like what? I don't know what you're smelling because I can't smell it.
It's not the chemical smell, it's the other smell.
The dead person smell?
I don't know.
So I do have an update with the exhaust system. They keep pushing it back, so who knows when it'll be here. I don't know. I might even have my Flash Pro and intake on before the exhaust gets here at this rate, so I'm not sure. This is to make it smell good. Alright guys, let's see here. It has been about 24 hours and Charlie and I are gonna go get Mummy some McDonald's. You wanna go? Do you wanna go for one? You wanna go for the ride? Moment of truth. Okay. Everything's dry. Still smells. And the stain is still there too. Oh shoot. It's definitely still there. You know what? I'm probably gonna have to get this professionally done. I think this is good enough for now. I'm just gonna rock it. Is this dry? Yes, it is dry. Oh, it's dry, Charlie. Yes, it's dry, that's good. Okay, one more thing before you guys go to end the video. Next Saturday, October 3rd, I am setting up a group drive. I'm about to post all the details on Instagram. I'm gonna post like a picture with, you know, the time we're meeting and where we're meeting and what we're gonna be driving and how long it's gonna take, all type of stuff. So if you live in, I don't know, anywhere from like the Placerville to Sacramento, Elk Grove, Rockland, Marysville, that sort of area, you are definitely welcome. You're invited to come drive with us. It's gonna be me. So far, it's gonna be me, Sergio. Sorry about that, boys. It's gonna be me, Sergio, Sam, Dakota. There's gonna be a lot of people there that you've seen in my videos, and then also there are some other people that are coming. I think the majority of the cars might be Civics, but by no means do you have to have a Honda to come. There's gonna be a WRX, a couple Integras, and BMW. But anyway, check my Instagram today, Saturday. I'll post a picture at some point today. But I am about to go for a run, and then I'm gonna go down to Mexico to race a Veloster N. So wish me luck, because I'm gonna need it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.